welcome back to another Asian meal prep recipe video, and today I'm actually really excited because I'm making a healthier version of my favorite Samyang noodles, and I'm pretty sure I'm not the only one right here who actually likes Samyang noodles. Come on, if you like Samyang noodles, you gotta raise your hands! Yay! I understand Samyang noodles is not exactly healthy, but today I'm gonna be making a healthier rendition of it, okay? We are still gonna be using Samyang noodles. Of course, this is not gonna suit if you have very specific goals, but if you're just trying to eat healthier and still enjoy your favorite foods every now and then this is for you. Alright guys, so the first thing we want to do is of course to cook our Samyang noodles. So, I'm just gonna put this in right here into the pot. So I'm actually just gonna use 2 packets of this. I'm gonna add in the oil. Alright guys, so once the oil is hot, right here, I am gonna add in the garlic and the onion into the pot. Just let it stir fry for a bit until the smell of garlic and onion is amazing. So just let it cook for a bit, alright? Once this is cooked, okay, we're gonna actually add in the chicken breast. So I'm using about 600 grams of chicken breast. I'm gonna split it up into 4 meals. So once the onion's a little bit golden brown, I think this is good. This is enough. We're gonna add in the chicken breast into the pan. There you go. Right in there. So this is gonna take a bit of time. I'd say 6 to 8 minutes is good. You do want to make sure it's fully cooked, so lots of protein in this. Ila, how do we count 1 to 10 in Korean? That sounds a lot more like Thai. Are you sure? I don't think Koreans sound like that. Oh, you just gotta be like, do the whistle. Do the whistle like a missile. Bomb, bomb. I'll just try my best not to stain my white little agar-agar shirt. So this is the tricky bit. Go Samyang. And we are gonna stir fry this carefully. I'm actually very messy, as you can tell, but I'm trying my best. There's nothing in there. Okay, so once this is done, we are gonna add in the veggies. So, Samyang, I'm making you healthier. I'm gonna add in the veggies. I'm gonna just start with the snow peas. Actually, it doesn't really matter. I like raw veggies equally as well. So, and then go in the broccoli, a little bit of the carrots first, and the baby corn. I'm just gonna stir fry this bunch a little bit. So just let it stir. Yes. Look at that, guys. All right, let's just add this in. Ooh. Oh my gosh, do I even have space? I'm gonna add this in. Look at that. Oh, beautiful. Okay, just mixing it up. Looks amazing. I'm gonna actually try this out a little bit. Okay, so mixing it up. Once that's already done, we're actually I'm just gonna taste it. Oh, there you go. Look, Mess Boo Boo number 1, number 2, number 3. I knew that's gonna happen. That's me. Oh, And then we're gonna do a little taste test, all right? So here we go, the first one. Yummy, yummy. Ooh, look at this. So of course guys, if you are just eating this by yourself, you know, all 4 meals by yourself, you don't really need to weigh it out. I usually do that anyway, so I don't actually weigh single meals. But if you're gonna be sharing it with friends and if they're kind of like, I wanna know my macros, what's in my macros, then, you know, weigh it out if you want. But what I'm gonna include is just the total calories for all 4 meals. And you can just divide it into the 4 if you want. But here we go. We're gonna just garnish with some spring onions. Alright guys, so I have just done 4 meals called the healthier Samyang noodles or spicy noodles. I've added in the protein, I've split up the carbs and also added in more veggies. So here comes the taste test. So good. Ooh, spicy, but that's what it is. That's what Samyang noodles is. But this is great. Nice, yummy. This is great guys, so make sure you give it a try. Recipe up very soon on mealprep.asia, and I'll see you guys next time, alright? Take care, stay safe, bye-bye.